When people think of side hustle apps, they think of Uber Eats and DoorDash, but I use these test-based side hustle apps every day, and in this video, I'm going to show you all 5 of them. The first one is going to be Gigwalk, and this was actually the first gig app of its kind that I did, and when I did my first one, I was hooked. So this is a good one. It pays in PayPal. The tasks pay you more per gig, but the problem is recently there hasn't been that many gigas available, and the ones that are available are kind of weird, and I wouldn't recommend doing them. They're at like medical places where you have to get pricing and stuff like that, and I had problems completing them, but definitely worth having the app because they do drop some gigs that'll be like $10, $15 that are actually worth doing, and I've done a lot of these. It just been a while since they had a lot of gigs on the app. The next one is going to have more gigs than you could possibly do in a day in your area. So this one is called Survey Merchandiser. This used to be an app called Easy Shift, and Easy Shift was the app that I made by far the most money with, but then they merged with survey.com, and now the app is Survey Merchandiser. Now this one is a lot more involved. It's going to have you printing stuff out. For some of them, it's going to have you having shipments to your house and then setting up stuff like displays. So let's see what is available in the West Palm Beach area. So here we go. You'll see something like this, $53 restocking. So restocking $9, you're going to have to work with the staff and restock stuff. Other ones, you could sign up for these recurring ones. And then there's ones like these, which is like a snapshot. So you could claim this one. You get paid $6. You're just going to have to take pictures of the shelves and stuff and displays. This is going to be similar to the other ones I'm talking about. But the reason why I don't do this app much is because most of them are going to involve some type of merchandising, like restocking, or they're going to require you to order stuff to your house. So this one is reset marketing material. So shipment required. So you're going to have to sign up for this one, and then they're going to ship stuff to your house. And then when you get it, you're going to go set it up. I found for the price that they pay, which is a lot more than other gig apps, still really isn't worth it. I had problems doing them. I had problems working with the staff. I don't really like to talk to people. I like more of the mystery shop gigs. And although there are some here, this app is very strict. If you reserve gigs and don't do them, your score will go down, and once your score is too low, then they won't let you reserve any more gigs. So definitely test this out, but I would start with the other apps that I'm going to tell you about, and then once you get more advanced, you could go to this app. The next app is where I actually make a lot of money. This is the one where I make the most money every day. I did a few today. Today is the 19th. I did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of these today. Almost $8,500 with this app. And there's gigs every day. This one, they'll drop the gigs throughout the day. This is what it will look like. There'll be like a map. You'll refresh it, and there you go. You'll see a lot of pins. Click on one. Here we have Costco. There's 4 $3 gigs here, so you can make $12. And these ones, once you've done a lot of them, and you can take these pictures fast, it'll probably take about 5 minutes or 10 minutes per gig, depending on which one it is. Some are harder than others. Some are more time consuming, but you're just going to be taking pictures of the aisles. And this one pays direct deposit into your bank account. Once they get approved, you can cash out, and then it'll cash out in a few business days. If you want to make money this week, I would definitely recommend this one. This is one that you could do every single day, and there will be gigs, whether you want to do 1 or 2 on your way to work or on your way back, or you want to do it as like a full side hustle, combining it with the other app that I'm going to talk about, which is Mobee. This one is great. Same idea as Field Agent. The difference is pays in gift cards, but you could get a gift card to basically anywhere. Target, Visa, Home Depot, pretty much places where you're going to spend money anyway. This one usually has a lot of gigs, although it's a little bit slow now. This one will be more seasonal. There'll be like Easter ones, Christmas ones, where you have to go and see the Easter and Christmas displays. Really fun, really easy. I've done a lot of these. I've done over 500 of them. Once they get approved, you'll have your points here, and then you can cash it out for your gift cards, and then you'll get an email, and you can use that gift card immediately. So definitely check out Mobee. Great app to combine with Field Agent. And the other one that I still make money somewhat consistently on is Observa. So Observa is going to be similar, kind of a mix between Field Agent and Mobee and Survey Merchandiser. They will have some merchandising, some restocking, some shelf management. So like wraps, merchandising, audit, required to wear appropriate attire, be respectful, and work with the store staff. And then they'll have like this one, which I would recommend doing, which is going to be like the field agent or Mobee. Just an audit. You're going to go there, take pictures of the spices at the fresh market. And if you want to see how this one went, me actually doing this gig with Meta Glasses POV, check out this video over here.